My school is a very good school. As long as you're on the right side of all the teachers. I just can't do anything right today. Every time I try to do a motor vlog about my school and how I like high school and everything, something bad always happens. Like the footage is unusual. Or this time I flooded my bike out really badly in the middle of nowhere, so luckily I had cell service. I'll explain the situation. I was doing a motor vlog, minding my business. I'm not too far away from home right now. 25-minute walk. The most. Not too bad. I come down this hill like, yeah, go over that ice, nearly fall, oh well. Keep coming down here and try to go across that. Don't know why, but I was aiming for the guardrail going across there, but I went through the water. I was dragging my bike out. Oh yeah, I was fine to then. Dragging my bike out. I turned the gas off. Dragging my bike out. Gas turned itself on. Absolutely flooded the thing. Battery's dead too. Always bring your cell phone when you ride. And hope you have single. Yeah, you know what I mean. I broke my new handguard too. I can fix up some duct tape. Nice bike. I love this bike. I'm an idiot. That's the only reason it's not working right now. That's what I'll do. Play Flappy Bird while I wait for my father to come with the four-wheeler and drag my bike and me home. Play some Flappy Bird. Find a nice place to sit. I'll sit right here.